In this video, we listed the 11 best folding electric bike for cosplay on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name: D-Power Mini Folding Electric Bike. The D-Power 400W Mini Adults Electric Bike is a versatile and compact solution for urban commuting and recreational rides. Designed with practicality and performance in mind, it features a powerful 400W motor paired with a 48V35Ah battery, delivering robust power and extended range capabilities. Its 14-inch fat tires enhance stability and provide excellent grip on diverse terrains, making it suitable for both city streets and light off-road adventures. The folding design adds to its portability, allowing users to easily store or transport the bike. Its EBS, electronic braking system, ensures reliable stopping power, enhancing safety during rides. This bike is particularly attractive for adults seeking an eco-friendly, efficient, and compact mode of transportation. With features like a mountain-ready build and thoughtful integration of modern e-bike technologies, the D-Power electric bike caters to urban dwellers and outdoor enthusiasts alike, providing a practical yet stylish option for their mobility needs. Product 2. Product name: 600W Folding Ebike. The 600W Folding Ebike is a compact and versatile electric bike designed for adult riders seeking convenience and performance. Featuring a 600W peak motor, this e-bike offers robust power for a smooth and efficient ride, with a top speed of 20 miles per hour. Its folding design makes it highly portable, perfect for urban commutes, storage in small spaces, or transport in a vehicle. The bike is equipped with 14-inch wheels and features 3 levels of pedal assist, allowing users to customize their riding experience to suit various terrains and preferences. Its multi-shock absorption system enhances comfort, providing a smoother ride over uneven surfaces. Ideal for city commuting or leisure riding, this e-bike combines practicality with advanced features, making it a convenient and eco-friendly transportation option for adults. Product 3. Product name: D-Power Adults Electric Bike. The D-Power Adults Electric Bike is a robust and versatile option tailored for outdoor enthusiasts and commuters who value power, convenience, and performance. Featuring a 1000W motor paired with a 48V25Ah battery, this electric bike is designed to tackle off-road terrains as well as urban landscapes effortlessly. Its 20-inch off-road tires ensure excellent traction and stability, making it suitable for a variety of conditions, from rugged trails to city streets. Key highlights include: folding design, ideal for portability and storage. This feature makes the D-Power bike convenient for urban living and transport. Mountain e-bike capability, built to handle challenging terrains, this bike provides durability and reliability for adventurous riders. High-capacity battery, the 25Ah battery offers extended riding time, ensuring long-range travel before recharging. Powerful motor, their 1000W motor delivers strong acceleration and consistent performance, suitable for steep inclines and dynamic off-road adventures. Product 4. Product name: Idotator Folding Mountain Ebike. The Idotator Folding Mountain Ebike is a high-performance electric bicycle designed for versatility, urban commuting, and off-road adventures. Its key features include a 1000W motor that delivers powerful acceleration and a 48V20R battery for extended range, making it capable of reaching speeds up to 36 miles per hour. The compact 20-inch fat tires provide stability on various terrains, from city streets to rugged trails. Its folding design makes it highly portable and convenient for storage, catering to users who need a reliable yet compact transportation option. The e-bike is suitable for both urban commuters and outdoor enthusiasts, combining power and portability in one package. With its EU delivery option, the Idotator Folding Mountain Ebike ensures accessibility to customers across Europe. Product 5. Product name: 14-inch Folding Electric Bike. A 14-inch folding electric bike for adults is a compact and portable solution for urban commuting and leisure rides. Designed for convenience, this bike combines practicality with modern technology, offering an eco-friendly mode of transportation. Key features typically include features and benefits. Foldable design. The 14-inch size and foldable frame make it easy to store and transport, whether in a car trunk, public transport, or at home. Electric assistance. Equipped with a rechargeable battery and a brushless motor, it provides pedal assist or full electric modes for effortless riding. Lightweight build. Often constructed with lightweight but durable materials like aluminum alloy, ensuring easy handling and portability. User-friendly. Features like an LCD display for speed and battery level, integrated lighting, and adjustable seat height cater to adult riders of varying preferences. Safety enhancements. Anti-slip tires, efficient braking systems, and a stable frame design ensure a safe ride in diverse conditions. Product 6. Product name QVivi 20-inch folding bike. The QVivi 20-inch folding bike is a versatile and high-performance electric bicycle tailored for adults seeking convenience, power, and portability. This foldable e-bike is powered by a 750W motor, delivering speeds of up to 21.7 miles per hour, making it ideal for urban commuting, leisure rides, or off-road adventures. It is equipped with a 48V removable battery, ensuring ample power for extended journeys. Key features include a robust folding design for easy storage and transport, allowing riders to conveniently fit the bike in a car trunk or small storage spaces. With its enhanced motor power and durable construction, the QVivi folding bike is engineered for various terrains and riding conditions. The bike's advanced design and functionality align well with interests in portable, high-tech gadgets and gear for outdoor exploration. This electric bicycle combines performance and practicality, catering to those seeking an eco-friendly and efficient mode of transportation with a modern edge. Product 7. Product name D-Power H20 PRO electric bicycle. The D-Power H20 PRO electric bicycle is a robust and portable solution for adults seeking versatility and power in an electric mountain bike. Equipped with a 2000W motor and a 48V25Ah battery, this bike delivers exceptional performance for off-road adventures and urban commutes alike. Key features include hydraulic brakes, ensuring responsive and reliable stopping power for enhanced safety in various terrains. 20-inch fat tires, providing superior traction and stability on challenging surfaces such as sand, snow, or gravel. Folding design, offering portability and convenience for storage or transport, making it ideal for compact spaces or travelers. Long battery life. The 25Ah battery allows extended rides, accommodating both recreational and practical use. Product 8. Product name QVivi 20-inch folding bike. The QVivi 20-inch folding bike is a high-performance electric bicycle designed for adults seeking a convenient, powerful, and versatile commuting or recreational option. Equipped with a 750W peak motor, this foldable e-bike delivers robust performance, enabling speeds of up to 21.7 miles per hour, making it suitable for urban commuting and light off-road adventures. Key features of the QVivi folding bike include compact design. The 20-inch foldable frame makes it easy to store and transport, perfect for those with limited storage space or for multimodal travel. 48V removable battery. Its high-capacity battery offers an extended range, ensuring reliable rides. The removable design allows for easy charging and maintenance. Enhanced performance. The 750W motor ensures smooth acceleration and sufficient power to tackle inclines and varied terrains. User-friendly features. This e-bike includes essential conveniences like a comfortable saddle, adjustable handlebars, and intuitive controls for a seamless riding experience. Product 9. Product name Wilgerdi 48V folding electric tricycle. The Wilgerdi 48V folding electric tricycle is a versatile and compact transportation solution tailored for adults, including elderly users. It combines practicality with portability, offering a three-wheeled electric design that ensures enhanced stability compared to traditional bicycles. Key features: power and efficiency. Powered by a 48V electric system, the tricycle offers efficient performance for daily commuting or recreational use. Suitable for short to moderate distances, making it ideal for urban areas or small neighborhoods. Folding design. The compact folding mechanism makes it easy to store and transport, whether in the trunk of a car or a small storage space. Perfect for users with limited storage capacity at home. Target audience. Designed for adults, particularly elderly riders seeking a safe and reliable electric bike option. Also suitable for men and women looking for a small, portable, and convenient alternative to traditional electric bikes. Product 10. Product name D-Power 2000W Electric Bike. The D-Power 2000W electric bike is a robust and versatile option for adult riders, designed for urban commuting, off-road adventures, and outdoor explorations. It combines power, portability, and durability, making it an excellent choice for various terrains and uses. Below is a detailed overview of its key features. Key features. Powerful motor. The bike is equipped with a 2000W motor that provides exceptional performance, enabling riders to tackle steep inclines and rough terrain with ease. Long-lasting battery. Powered by a 48V25Ah battery, the bike offers impressive mileage on a single charge, suitable for long-distance rides without frequent recharging. Fat tires for versatility. Its 20-inch fat tires are designed to provide excellent grip and stability on diverse surfaces, including snow, sand, mud, and city streets. Folding design. The bike features a folding mechanism for easy storage and transport, making it ideal for those with limited storage space or who need a portable e-bike solution. Product 11. Product name 14-inch Bike Electric Bicycle. The 14-inch Bike Electric Bicycle is a compact and efficient electric bike designed for adults. With its 48V15Ah battery and 400W motor, this e-bike offers a maximum speed of 32 km/h, making it an ideal choice for short commutes or casual rides. The bike features a folding design, making it easy to store and transport, which is particularly beneficial for those with limited space or who need to carry the bike in a vehicle. The 14-inch wheels provide stability and maneuverability, making it suitable for city commuting, light off-road use, or recreational cycling. With its powerful 48V15Ah battery, this electric bike can offer a decent range, allowing riders to travel further without worrying about frequent recharges. The 400W motor ensures that the bike can handle various terrains, offering sufficient power for smooth rides on flat roads or slight inclines. This e-bike is a great choice for individuals seeking an eco-friendly, cost-effective, and convenient mode of transportation. Its folding feature adds a layer of portability, making it a perfect option for city dwellers or those who need a compact bike for everyday use.